Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many of us find tedious and time-consuming: audio transcription. But fear not. We've got some exciting alternatives that can make the whole process a lot more enjoyable and efficient. So, if you're tired of traditional transcription methods, keep watching. The tedious task of audio transcription. Let's face it, audio transcription can be a real snooze fest. Rewinding, pausing, typing, rewinding again, it's not exactly the most thrilling activity, right? Plus, the potential for errors and misinterpretations can make it frustrating and time-consuming. Try automatic transcription software. Thankfully, technology has come to the rescue. Instead of doing all the work manually, why not try automatic transcription software? There are some fantastic AI-powered tools out there that can transcribe your audio with impressive accuracy. Just upload your recording, and within minutes, you'll have a complete text version. It saves time and effort. Collaborative transcription. How about making transcription a team effort? Collaborative transcription can be a fun and engaging way to get the job done. Gather your friends, colleagues, or online community, and divide the transcription task among yourselves. You can compete to see who transcribes the most accurately or quickly. It's like turning work into a game. Transcription sprints. Another way to make transcription exciting is by organizing transcription sprints. Set a timer, play some energizing music, and challenge yourself to transcribe as much as you can during that time. It's a productivity booster, and you might be surprised by how much you can accomplish when you're racing against the clock. The transcription challenge. Now, here's a creative twist: the transcription challenge. Select a fun theme, like famous movie quotes, song lyrics, or viral internet videos. Then, transcribe them and share the results with your friends or audience. They can guess what the original audio was, and it becomes an interactive and enjoyable activity for everyone involved. Transcribe and transform. If you're still not convinced, here's an idea: transcribe and transform. Take the transcript of your audio and use it as a basis for creating other content. You can turn it into blog posts, social media quotes, or even use it as a script for a video like we're doing right now. It's a fantastic way to repurpose your content and save time on multiple tasks. Celebrate progress. Last but not least, remember to celebrate your progress. Transcription might not be the most thrilling task, but it's an essential part of content creation and communication. So, whenever you finish a transcription, treat yourself to something enjoyable. A little reward can make all the difference. And there you have it. Audio transcription doesn't have to be boring. Embrace technology with automatic transcription software, turn it into a fun group activity, challenge yourself with sprints, get creative with themed transcriptions, and use the text to create even more content. We hope these ideas will make the process much more enjoyable for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative content tips. Let us know in the comments what other boring tasks you'd like us to spice up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy transcribing!